I can't touch nothing though. I am barred by the group as being a captain and a dancer. When all is over, I can drink what I like. But of course, it grieves me, I might as well tell you the truth, to see all the boys drinking plenty porter in every house, which we gets going down. And all I can drink is a mineral. That's the rules they make with me. And I can see all my band fine and hearty, and hardly able to play when it'll nearly finishing up. They'd be so hearty as that with drunk.
Well, do you normally like a drink, Sonny?
Oh, sure, all my life. As a matter of fact, I was fed in drink.
You seem to suggest now that there's welcome for you everywhere. Is there any door slammed against
No,
you?
never a door closed in his life.
Jack, you're, I think, 79 years of age.
I am.
Are you going out with the Wren Boys this St. Stephen's Day?
Oh, indeed, you may be sure I am. If I didn't go out with the Wren Boys when I'd see him coming to the house, I'd get as lonesome as could be, thinking of old times. The very minute I'd hear the music, thinking of old times.
Do you actually play yourself?
I do. The first time that I ever went in the Wren, I was only 12 years of age. On a concertina, I used to play at that time. And I had only one part of a hornpipe. I couldn't turn it. But I went with the big lads in the Wren. They had no other player. But the one part of the hornpipe done them all right for dancing inside in the houses. So we'd stop. When we'd have 50 bob made that time, a great night out of it. You'd get a half tierce of stout that time for £1, 16 gallons. You'd get a bucket of jam for 10 pence. When we'd be coming from the porter, we'd bring in a bucket into John O'Dwyer's in Church Street and hand him the bucket, and he'd put the bucket up on the scale and weigh it. And he'd go over with his scoop to a big barrel, about 3 feet high, with jam inside in it, and he'd fill the bucket and put it up in the scale, and all we need pay for that was 10 pence. There'd be piles of jam anyway during the night, and when you'd be cutting turf in the month of June after, if you went into that very house, you'd see some of the jam inside in the bucket.
Sonny, you mentioned there in talking about the band, the Bodhráns, you still make them here yourself?
Yes, and John Duggan makes them.
First of all, you would look out for a worn sieve, for sieving oats or gravel, a sieve. And you would have the rim, then you see, the good firm rim. Look out for a goat anyway, and skin the goat. And shake a grain of lime in the hairy side of the skin and fold it up. And if you have any kind of an animal with stable manure, bury it in it for about 4 days. Take it up, and all the hair will come free out of it. And then, if you're not in a hurry, you could nail the skin onto a door to keep it in good order like. Well then, when we became a half sergeant, nail it onto the verge of your rim, all around. Clap it down in the rim, and turn down a little bit and tack it very close all round. But remember to keep it pulled well. Hang it up then for about a day and rub a bit of ration to it, ground ration, and make a stick for tipping it with an knob and edge in the bit about 9 inches long, and a lube in the middle of it to get into your finger. Well, you can heat the tambourine onto the fire then and tip away, and you're not a genius if you weren't able to work the 2 ends of the kipping.
Well, must it be goat skin, Jack?
Goat skin, well, if you have no goat skin, if you got a greyhound, an old greyhound, and to skin him, the greyhound would be the best, but any dog would do. But skin the greyhound and tanned the skin the very same as the goats. And you had a lovely tambourine, a nice thin skin. So the dog would do just as good.